Hi everybody, this is Ashley from the Southern Plains Life channel, and today I'm just going to show you how to do something around the house that takes about 5 minutes. It's something you can do and something that will save like many of you. Our cars are a lifeline to help us take our kids to school, to games, to practices, and also go to work. So today I'm going to show you how to change an air filter on a 2013 Honda Accord. That's my daily driver right there for work and running the kids around. So follow along. So we're going to start by going into the car. We're going to pull the hood release right there. And we'll come over to the hood latch. It's in the front right there, and then we're going to just lift the hood. This is a 2013 Honda Accord. It is the V6. Very comfortable car. I really enjoy it a lot. Good gas mileage. Helps run the kids around to practice and to school and also for work, and also we take this on trips. So it's very important to keep this car running. Okay, so first what we need to do, Honda made it real easy for you to replace these filters. These filters are about 10 bucks at your auto parts place, but some places, like if you go get your oil change or something like that, they want to charge you $25, $30. So I'm able to save about $10, $15 just doing this myself, and it's just really quick. Like I said, it takes less than 5 minutes to do it. So first what you want to do here is take that off, release that latch there too. You only got two latches to release, and then it has some hinges right down in here. And as you can see, you can just lift this up right here, and there's your air filter. Okay, let's take this out. Sometimes a little bit more difficult with one hand. All right, so you can see the filter right here. It's pretty dirty, pretty nasty. It's been a while since I've changed it. And this is kind of compared, you know, to the new one right here. Like I said, you can pick the new ones up at auto parts place or, you know, Walmart or something like that. Okay, so this is all we got to do right here. Sometimes you want to look in here to see if there's any debris, but there isn't any debris in there, so we're good to go. So we're just going to put that in there like that. Make sure it all seals good. And then you just flip it back, and there, you're done. So as you can tell, that was a quick and easy tip how to save you money, something that you can do and not have the mechanics at the shop do that for you. Like I said, I usually save an average of about $10 or $15 doing it myself, and it's just another tip to save money for you and your family. All right, here's just a view of the car. The engine's running. Okay everybody, if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. If you have any comments, please comment below. Have a great day.